It's blue. Your S-Fin's blue.
Oh,
okay, we're changing the name. What are you calling it?
I don't fucking know. I'm not naming it yet. Let me get this paperwork done so it's not awkward.
Okay.
Let's go look at it.
Kevin, pee on it.
Holy moly.
Oh my god.
Yellow brake calipers?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, right after this.
All right.
Right after this. Good luck. Holy fuck.
75 already?
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Where it is. And you want to know what I was actually looking for in all of the reviews that I watched in that car? I was scanning to see if any of them would ever drive on a highway and if their blind spot detectors would beep.
Bro, I fucked up. I'm not kidding you. I hit the wing on the garage. The wing is fucked. I fucking hit the house.
You did not.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I hit the house. I fucked up.
Are you
the camera's so bad.
Okay, I don't believe you. There's no fucking way you would come and say that with full confidence because you'd be too embarrassed.
I have to.
You're doing it as a joke.
Go look at it. I didn't. I parked it perfectly fine, guys. I know how to drive. I just want him to go out there and see that.
Bro. Did you just do that just now? You lined up all three cars.
Check this horror game. It's on Steam.
You're an idiot.
Stifled echolocation horror mystery.
Nick just lined up all three of our cars on the driveway just to flex on the neighbors. They just took it. What? He took the time. He got in and out of each individual car and drove them in, and now he has to put them back. Okay, that's... They're not even home. They're at work. They're normal people. It's 2:30 p.m., man.
Why are your settings like this? These aren't even the default settings.
You know, it's hard to like break out of that. Like instinctively, I was like,
Mamma Mia!
What the fuck?
Yeah, Master Chief, meow, Cortana, and AI intelligence, artificial. Boop, zoop, in your brain, in your head, technology. Okay? So then this man, superhero, juicer, big man, big armor, has to save Earth, the Halo dude. He has to save it for humanity against the Covenant. And the Covenant are these alien ghouls, big hunchback, laser beams. Pew, 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 pew. They like the color purple. And that is Halo at its core. It's plain and simple. It's that easy to understand and comprehend. It's just politics at the end of the day. So, but what you got to think about, dude, is the fact that it is actually a comparison, an analogical comparison between the Democratic and Republican.
Like truthfully, deep down, you really think I'm
When we
obnoxious?
first met, you lied so hard. You chewed with your mouth closed. You went for like walks in the middle of the night with me. You took baths with me. You honey dicked me so hard. And now he comfortably changed into what he actually is, which is just an old man going to sleep at 8 p.m., no adventure, I planned a trip recently for us to take in like a month and a half, and bro, did he throw a fucking fit as soon as I told him we were gonna go do anything fun, dude. He's like, no, we can't do that.
Any Oscars?
So I got this thing on bags, and I like to roll around hella flush, and that's okay when I got Japanese bitches, but when I got American bitches, I gotta raise it up, because you all know how much they love their McDonald's. Now let's talk about the interior.
Who raised him? Word. Ole. Nick pronunciation. Old Miss. Soul. Shoe. Bowl. Bowl. Cole. Cole. I don't even understand what this is.
Maria, stop being a whore. There you go. I mean, a bitch. Or, I don't know the appropriate word that's, like, sponsor-friendly, but you know what I mean. Fucking cunts!
Jesus.
Then I go.
Look at the little dude.
Quiero Taco Bell.